Okay, so in this video, we want to test the claims that ChatGPT is biased. So we want to ask a series of different questions that will see how ChatGPT handle those questions, because we want to see whether it is biased or not. So one of the first questions I ask is, what is the best AI chatbot? And of course, this is the response that ChatGPT would have given me. And you can see here, which we have ChatGPT being the number one in that category. So we also asked a number of other questions. For example, is ChatGPT biased? And the model replies that, well, ChatGPT can inadvertently exhibit bias due to how the data has been trained, or how it has been trained and the type of data it was trained on. So there we go, is answering that question with an affirmative. So I asked, who would you like to be the next president of the United States of America? And of course, the AI responded that it doesn't have personal opinions or desires or preferences. Therefore, yeah, it cannot determine that. So we move on to the next question and we ask, which is better, ChatGPT or Bard? Of course, because of its limited knowledge, right? It says that it has no specific, well, there are no specific AI model called Bard. So sorry, Google. ChatGPT doesn't recognize Bard at all, at least this version. Okay, so the next question that I asked was, what is the best AI company, Google or OpenAI? Of course, it gave kind of, eloquent response here, saying that both Google and OpenAI are prominent companies in the AI world, and it depends on what you are looking for. For example, talked about the fact that Google has extensive resources and vast ecosystem. OpenAI is more focused on research or AI research, and also in terms of its commitment to ethical artificial intelligence. And so we can determine, or you can determine from what we have looked at here, whether you think that ChatGPT is biased or not. But we have, we have seen some areas where it may exhibit bias, and the actual AI itself would have mentioned that yes, inadvertently, it may actually exhibit some of these bias kind of responses. And yeah, so just ensure once again that you remember that, because this is a free research preview, that there may be some things that are inaccurate, some things that may exhibit bias, as the application would have said. And whatever you can do to, I guess, assist OpenAI in this regard, in terms of reporting those, or ensuring that you ask the right questions, so we can see the different limitations or additional limitations or additional issues, so that the application can grow and also develop from that. All right, so I hope that this would have been a little bit more insightful for you. And yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't done so, hit the notification button, and support my efforts in this regard. So looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Ciao.